Thank you. Good afternoon. A wet weekend ahead weather-wise with some heavy pulses of rain. A couple of warnings in the mix to tell you about. This afternoon before that, spells of showery rain for some places, a gusty wind. And as we head into this evening and overnight, further outbreaks of rain, low cloud mistiness, but a rather mild night in prospect ahead of some really heavy rain that will be sweeping westwards across the northwest of England during the day tomorrow. 9 or 10 Celsius, the overnight low tonight. A couple of warnings in place for tomorrow to cover that rain. There will be localised flooding. Very difficult driving conditions. On the whole, it's a yellow warning, but parts of Cheshire will go amber with some very dangerous conditions there tomorrow. Take care.
West.
Hello, good evening. A wet weekend weather-wise ahead with warnings in place to inform you about. Gone is the sunshine for the time being. Heavy rain through tomorrow and again on Sunday will generate some very difficult driving conditions. We have yellow and amber warnings from the Met Office to cover that during the day tomorrow. Deep low hours during Sunday and as well as that, very gusty winds. Back to this evening, we're seeing outbreaks of showery rain nudging in as we go through the rest of the night. Gusty winds as well, but low cloud, mistiness and temperature tonight falling no lower than around 9 or 10 degrees. As we head into the early hours of tomorrow, heavy rain will be knocking on the door of northwest England, ready to sweep in during the day tomorrow. Before that, though, the sun will be up at 7:17, setting at 6:41 tomorrow evening. Heavy rain pushing its way westwards, largely covered by a yellow warning from the Met Office, so difficult driving, the risk of some localised flooding, spray, standing water. Very nasty conditions, and just pushing up into the south of our region, certainly parts of Cheshire, an intense area of heavy rain tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. It's probably best not to travel in that area if you can avoid it. 13 or 14 Celsius, it's academic really, it's going to feel quite nasty out there. Gusty winds and heavy rain continuing through tomorrow evening. Sunday will be showery, maybe some brightness. Next week remains very unsettled.